So what's up, guys? We are here right now. Basically, you are wondering why this dropper post is here. It's black, and then here is white. It's scraped. Yeah, because this is the update of my dropper post regarding with the Java Savia, which has a 30.4 millimeter of dropper post seat tube diameter, but unfortunately the internet or the here in United Arab Emirates there are only like handful of that size for the seat post. So basically the standard seat post would be on the modern mountain bikes would be 30.9 diameter, and the other one is 31.6. So uh, I made a suicide mission just to purchase this XLC external purpose. It's external, guys, because it don't Java Savia don't have an internal routing for the drop purpose. So yeah, basically, guys, I made a I go to my machine shop nearby area, and basically so this one is 30.9, right? So I need a diameter of 30.4. So basically they have the machine shop remove this until this one. Why I not didn't remove all? Because this would be in this area, this would be the one that the seat tube will sit on. So this seat post will sit on, and this is the perfect height for my seat height length. So this basically that's why I measured here. It has measurements here on how much I removed it. I go to 13th. So this basically this area is the one that will go inside the seat tube, this length. Okay, so the main issue with this one was I played it around, like I used it for like 2 days, but this cable here, I don't know what kind of cable this one. This one is just a. I made this one for a replacement for nylon. It's working, but I think in longevity, this one will stretch out, and maybe the dropper post will not run easily. So, this one is I like. I don't know. It's like a nylon, but it's like a polysynthetic thread. So this one is braided, by the way. So this one is, I don't know why it snaps. See, snap. So I need to replace this one. So one thing I could do is I scoured the internet, and the best thing I did, and I see. So the one I see is, guys, is this one. This is a fishing line. Okay? Why fishing line? You must know that this one is nylon, but it's not stretchable. It's braided. So the size is 0.6, but I think it's very thin. So I think you need to buy a 0.1. But this one is not stretching. You know, fishing lines are very durable, right? Because how many pounds that fish they caught, and then they will be stay on the line for a very long time and struggling for the fish to be to be caught, you know. So basically this is my, I don't know if it would work. We'll see, but this is the idea what I have, because nylons will stretch at time, but this one I scoured in the internet. This line has 20 pound 20, I don't know, maybe this yeah, 20 kilograms for this weight, for this it can stand hold. So I don't think that we need 20 kilograms for our dropper post to work, right? So basically this one will, I think, will suit. So this is my alternative way to replace that braided wire, but I will not do this thin wire. I make like loops wire, maybe 4 loops, 3 loops, and basically just attach it on the dropper post. So how to, yeah, how to remove this dropper post or breakdown is this. Actually this one I cut it down. Actually it has a cover from this one to here. It has a cover, but I remove it because this one is only support this plastic what you call this one is support this plastic, not to, when you press the button like this, when you press the dropper post lever, it will go like this, it will release. So basically this one will support that it will not pop out. So this one I remove, yeah, so it will be accessible. And then you will just remove and untie, and then in this area, if you have a small Allen wrench like this, you'll just poke it out, see, and remove it. And now the purpose of this line, why I put it here, because this will be the guide of my new line that I will put, new cable that I will put inside internally. So this one, yeah, so this is the purpose why I have it here. So this one, you'll just poke it out, then you will see a inside there is a, I think 4mm Allen screw. You must remove that one, or basically you don't need to remove anything. But if you want to remove this this area, this one, this tube, you must only unlock that one and it will pull out. So basically I will show you, so you will have also the idea of how to service your dropper post if you have this kind of dropper post. Yeah, so here it is, just unlock it, see, now this is the Allen screw, hex screw. Put it down, see, now basically you can just pull this one out. So if you want to put grease or anything, you just go, you have to open that one and you put it inside. So yeah, okay, so me, I will not go through with that what you call this one, with that procedure, because I have already here a, what you call this one, I have already put lubricant inside, grease inside. So basically when you put it together, just align this one to the hole that you where the screw is screwed on. Yeah, just screw it on. So I think, guys, I will not go through everything, so I will just skip how I make the cable or the wire, so that when you see it, I will show you how I put the wire in here and pull it outside. Okay, yeah, so here, guys, I've already make this line, see, this thick, I think it was 10 loops or 15 loops, I can't remember. So basically this is all the strands together. I think this is enough to support the dropper post, and it's very, very, very hard, it's not stretchable. So okay, let's go and attach it to our dropper post. Yeah. So basically I just attach this line into the end of this wire and just pull it over, see, as you can see. Yeah, so here basically it go through already. So here now you have your line. Okay, so you have now this one to replace that broken wire. So now I need to remove this one. Yeah, so it's, I don't know how to make braided wires, but that's why I just make a loop how many strands I need for my dropper post to function well. Yeah, so yeah, basically, guys, now I have put the cables here, like I make 15 loops as I said. So it's now here, now it's time to attach the cables to the mechanism. Okay, So basically you just need to put the Allen screw here. Yeah, can remove this one. See, which one is, I think you need M5. Yeah, then in the end is screw, grab screw. Yeah, this is the screw, guys. Yeah, okay. So basically you just need to put this one inside. It's quite finicky, but it will do. Just make sure that you will not pull too much, because you will lose the end of this cable here and this cable. So just make sure that you don't pull too much. Now what you do, you just put it inside. Yeah, I will just, so you will just only put it inside. For a moment, I don't want to ruin everything. So here, guys, now I'll just take enough length to put this grab screw. Make sure all the threads are inside. Basically you'll just tighten this up. Yeah, not too much tight. So here now we have our end, so our mechanism. Now I just need to cut down this here, so that it will not obstruct the mechanism when it's functioning well. See, it's very sorry, my scissor is not too much sharp. Yeah, so it's done. Just make it double sure that we have the perfect tightness. Yeah, now we just attach this one inside. To attach this one, you just need to place like this. Yeah, and basically like that. Then you can now grab this one. So now it's in place, guys. So yeah, so you have this length. I make it long just to have an extra, so I can make a loop. So now basically here there is a hole inside in this screw, but I will not put it in the hole. I'll just make a loop. Okay, loop on this what you call this one. So you grab your Allen your socket, 8mm socket. Just make it sorry. So now it's loose. See, you see, if you just can see, guys, there's a hole, but I will not put that one inside because it will create it's better I make a loop on this one. Yeah, just make a loop. You see, so all the threads will be evenly tightened. That's why I make this one long. You see, I hope you can see it in the video. Sorry about my camera. Now just to make it sure, just to make sure that you have what do you call this one, you have the proper length of your, don't press it too much, don't press it this one too much, you see, because it will release the dropper post. Just where it stands, then you can loop it out. Then again another loop. It's very hard. Yeah, but it can go through. Yeah. Then on the other side also. Yeah, 2 loops on each side. I think it's enough. Then what you do when you tighten this one, just press this lever. Then you grab your 8mm socket. Then you tighten this one. It's popping out, guys. Yeah, perfect. So to check if your dropper post is not, you can just basically push this one. You can put this one, push it towards you like this, towards you. Put it in your, this one you put it in stomach. You can push it towards you. If it's not pushing, then if you want to know if your dropper post is working, you just need to grab this one, then push it towards you. Yeah. Okay. Now, then release. Yeah. So it's basically working, guys. So that's it. This is how you service a dropper post. But tear down is very easy, guys. Tear down is very easy. So I'll not go through the I'll just make the common issue why I replace this cable. Okay. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and yeah, just stay tuned on my channel. First of all, I will just show you how the dropper post works when I put it on my bike. Okay. So as you can see, guys, I dropped the dropper post and voila, it works. It worked, guys. So it's very hard for me to give you some more views on how to work this one, how it performs, but because I'm only one, I don't have an extra camera, I don't have an extra people to help me for this video, so that you see it works. It's okay. So I hope it helps you with your XLC dropper post external cable routing. So see you on the next video. Thank you.